Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and tap on this white icon with an A located next to brightness slider. As you can see, my icon turned yellow. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting yellow tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit, tap on Display and Brightness, and then use this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!